First, here you are touching the best technology ever, my opinion, to reuse heat or excess heat. So there's a huge momentum on heat pumps. Just sharing a few numbers to put things in perspective. Last year, that market, and I'm talking Europe, grew by 31%. That's great. This is absolutely nothing compared to what is in front of us. Because if we really believe that Repower EU is going to really deliver, and we have to believe this is really going to happen, we're going to move from 17 million heat pumps as of today installed in Europe, primarily for residential use, to 60 million heat pumps by 2030. So there's something massive in front of us, lots of opportunities, but also lots of challenges. I think, as I said, that's simply the best technology to really heat or cool a given space, which can be a building like this one, which can be your house. So this is simply the best technology from an efficiency standpoint. And that's a technology that is reusing heat that is available somewhere, outside, in the air, or from the process. So technology-wise, this is absolutely great. And then that's a technology that has reached a very high level of maturity from a cost standpoint, which is super important from a reliability standpoint. And all of this now is going to be driven by the EU directives. We are hearing a lot about Repower EU, which is super critical now considering this geopolitical situation. And this is going to benefit for the heat pump market big time. The outlook is massive, and we have to be prepared for that, yeah. Globally, we see similar things happening. As an example, now North America switching more and more to heat pumps, also for residential space, which was not the case in the past, which was just cooling only machines. So this is switching to heat pumps. And then moving on the other side of the globe, China, commercial heating, like in building like this one, the heat pump market is booming dramatically. And Danfoss is one of the first players in that market currently. So all good for now. To me, and this is also something that we have heard during these panel discussions, it is a lot about the ecosystem that we are putting around. It's good to have technology, it's good technology readiness, it's good to have directives from EU, but end of the day, things happen here, locally. So that's a lot about partnership with private, with public sectors, having all the stakeholders to be involved, from the one designing, from the utilities, from the one using, from the one maintaining. It's all about the ecosystem, because what we have in front of us, it is a disruption. It's not growing by 10, 20, 30%. That's gone. This is moving from 17 to 60 million. So it's an all disruption, and the full ecosystem has to be ready for that. For me, that's one of the key learning out of this conference.